This is Matthew from Pearls of Gaming, and today we're going to be starting off with the web applications programming, episode 2, part 1 of HTML and CSS. Alright, let's start off. So first of all, in order to declare, first what you want to do is get in a text editor. If you are on Mac, you're probably going to get TextMate. If you're on PC, you probably have Notepad. So once you have your text editor, what you're going to do is you're going to go to HTML. And first of all, in order to go any further, let's start off with Doctype HTML. This is how you basically declare that you were writing in HTML. This isn't enough. This isn't just selecting it isn't enough. You have to write in Doctype HTML. So that makes it an HTML document. Next, we have a HTML document skeleton. You won't have to. This is just the basic skeleton for making websites, and you only have to ever have to actually use HTML and /HTML once in your one document, because it's that just encompasses where all your HTML goes. Next, what we're going to do is type head and /head. Type in title and /title. These slashes are to indicate the ending part. What you write goes in here. This is the head. But what you write for the title goes in here. For example, what should we name this? Tutorial. Alright, so now what we're going to do is, real quick, because this is partially written, it is now a website. Technically, it's very simple, but yeah, it is in fact a website. It has nothing in it. There's no images. There's no words. I'll show you that later. But where this comes in, I'm about to show you. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit save. Now you can name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name it tutorial. Save. Now you have the document. Open up the document. Double click it. Open it up. And look right there. There it is. Tutorial. Right there. That's where the title goes, and that's what will be in the left corner when you open up the document. Next, what we're going to do is add our style tags, which go right here. Now you go style. Oh, sorry. Style. And, oh crap. /style. There you go. So there's style. What is style? Style is CSS. That will be covered in, after we're done with covering HTML, that will be next. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to create the body tags. If any of you are wondering, if you're watching this video, why do I need to know this? Well, you can't write anything without the skeleton, but as a general rule, as a general use for programming in this particular type of programming, HTML, CSS, web application programmers are one of the most sought after people for programming, and it is such a good thing to have on your resume. So if you are watching this video, this is going to help you greatly if you need a fallback job, or you need a job, well, just a job, It's high pay. Not sure exactly what, but I'm not sure the exact credentials or the exact pay, but stuff like this, just HTML, CSS, that's going to make you a lot of money by itself, just HTML and CSS. HTML itself, probably not, but with CSS, probably. Next, what we're going to do in the body tags is, this is where everything you want to put in the body will go. So, let's put a heading. Let's just use H1. You can use H1 or 2 or H3 or 4 or 5, 6. We cannot use 7. 7 does not exist. 8, 9, that doesn't exist. It's H1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. But you only put one, like H1 or H2 or H3, H4. They're just the different heading types. So we're just going to use the heading 1. And we're going to write the heading 1 tags. In between those tags, we're writing a heading, which is just words. It doesn't go in the top corner. It doesn't go anywhere special. It's just words. The heading will say, we can put the heading, this is how you write the scripts for a website. Alright, so now we have heading 1. This is how you write scripts for a website. Let's go see if that appears anywhere. So you gotta save it first so it loads it. Look at that. There it is, right there. Isn't that awesome? Well, that's very simple, but we'll do some positioning later with CSS. HTML by itself just just cascades it down. You can't move the position of words. You can't align it anywhere, but that's where CSS comes in. But that's another video, entire differently tutorial. So I'm gonna check what time I'm at. I got time. I got about 3 minutes. So what we're gonna do next is we are going to paragraphs, right? Paragraphs is just words that you can write explaining what your website's about and just writing general information, and it's basically where you write your words. Headings are just for, the headings. They show what your website's about and the title, basically, other than the actual title, obviously, over here. But, so we'll get on the paragraphs, and in the next video I'll show you about links and images and how to put images on your website. Next, what we're going to do is paragraphs. So put a paragraph right there. A P tag is for paragraph, and put a /P. Now you can write whatever you want. Scripts. I don't know. Today I'm going to show you how to code in HTML. Alright, awesome. Now, that's in there. That's a P tag. You'll notice something about the boldness of the letters and how big the letters are, as opposed to the heading titles. Alright, so let's check that. Save. And see the letters are much smaller. They look like how you'd write in a text document. This comparably is much bigger and obviously is used for headings and titles and general subtitles for your website. So that's about it for this video. I'm afraid I didn't get to much. I only got to headings, the skeleton, and paragraphs, but well, I hope this video has been not really entertaining. It was not really entertaining as much as educational, and I hope you stick around for more, and hope to see you next time. Later, guys. This has been Matthew from Pillars of Gaming, teaching you to code, and I'm signing off. Alright, guys. Bye.